The next tense for conversion is future continuous tense. And what's going to happen here is your will be will change to would be. All right, let's move on to the examples. I said to him, I will be waiting for him. Right? So what are you going to concentrate here on is the will be part to be replaced with would be. I said to him that I would be waiting for him. If you closely watch, what are the major changes we had made here is just the removal of the quotations, addition of the conjunction that, and conversion of will be to would be. Next example. He said, I will be working hard. Join with me in converting this to a reported speech or indirect sentence. He said that, what will I become? He would be working hard. The next example is, this is for you to try on your own. He said, he will not be flying a kite. Try to convert this sentence on your own. Let's do it together. He said that he will still remain, right? He, see now will become would be. Will not be would become would not be. Yes, so he said that he would not be flying a kite. Going through the three examples once again, the first sentence is very clear, right? Your will be has been converted or replaced by would be. The second sentence again, there is a change with the pronoun, and again will be is replaced with would be. He said that he would be working hard. Now your third sentence is a negative sentence, right? So what I have mentioned here is just the positive form. Will be would become would be. Will not be will become would not be, right? Just like how your future simple, if your sentence is going to be will, your conversion will be would. If it's going to be will not, it would be would would not, right? So the last sentence is the negative form. He will not be flying a kite. And when converted, it becomes, he said that he would not be flying a kite. So from this, we conclude that while converting a future continuous tense sentence into a reported speech or indirect speech, all what you are supposed to do is just look for the future continuous tense, look for the will be and replace it with would be and would not be with a negative sentence.